This technique represents a medial meniscal posterior root repair with suture anchor. After confirmation of the root tear, we debride the meniscal tissue and prepare the footprint with a curette. Then we make a high and back posterior medial portal and we use a cannulated curved guide to deploy the anchor. The anchor comes loaded with two wires, one blue, one black. First we take the blue one through the anteromedial portal and load the scorpion with it. In order to perform a mattress suture, the first passage should be in the most posterior portion of the root. After retrieval of the suture through the anteromedial portal, the same suture is again loaded and passed through the most anterior portion of the meniscus, but now we pass it with the scorpion upside down. Then we push the blue suture, adjusting the suture to the meniscal root. To splice the suture, next you pull the end of the black suture that has a loop on it through the anteromedial portal. The suture splice locking mechanism is created by inserting the white and blue repair suture into the loop of the black shuttling suture. The other end of the black shuttling suture is pulled from the posterior medial portal, shuttling the repair blue suture back into the anchor, completing the splice. The repair suture can be controlled and tensioned under direct visualization until the desired reduction is achieved.